All right, so you can see I got that all tucked in there now. So I got that, I don't know if you can see it, but I got baling wire wrapped over that rubber cover that goes over that starter solenoid, and drilled a couple holes in the bottom and just kind of twist it nice and tight. So that's going to keep it from rocking around too much. It's pretty strong that way. Plus the cables that are coming this way are going to keep it from moving that way once I get them all secure where I want them. I turned on I put my battery in here, got it hooked up, so everything's hooked up good. I haven't started it yet because I don't have my pipes on there. So, next step is, so this all fit in here good, I mean, I kind of just put it in there a little bit, but I'm going to make some kind of cover for that to keep everything down. So once I put something on there, it's going to keep it from rocking and rolling too much. I don't really know what I'm going to put on there yet. I was thinking some kind of cool copper cap. Maybe try to fasten it down somehow. Not quite sure yet. I'll get there on that. I'm not really concerned about that. So my next step is I'm going to get my exhaust put on. I have some exhaust wrap that I might put on there. I got some black exhaust wrap that I'm going to put on there, so I'll probably do that. I just wanted to show you guys kind of, and I'm going to put my other, obviously, light on here. I was going to drill holes and put these through there. I don't know if I'm going to do that yet. I might just tuck them in tight like that. Put a notch under that lid, and stick them in there. I don't know. So that's all to be determined. I still have to, my brake light is coming probably either today or Monday. And then I'll hook that up. That's what these two are for, my brake lights. And then this one's for my right turn signal, and the other piggy tail is my ground. Because when you do your LED lights, they have 3 wires, but you only need 2. So you nip one, and that's how that works. I don't know the magic of that because I'm not really up on the wiring system yet, but I'm learning. And then obviously I've got to figure out how to get I think once this brake is in there, be able to wire that brake line. It's pretty long, and it hooks up to the bottom of that battery case that I have my battery in right there. And also, I'm going to put my chrome stock cover on here for now. And like I said in my other video, eventually all this is, I want to get like a leather pouch, make some holes for it on the side, have a little flap over there with a cool bone button or something. I'll have to learn how to work with leather for that. I do have a friend that's super good with leather. I reached out to him and let him know that I'm ready to have him look at it and see what he can come up with. So maybe he will do that, or I'll just do it. I'm not sure. I'm gonna do a leather wrap there, and then once my seat's on here and I get all this buttoned up, I'm gonna put some leather over all this because my seat only comes to here. And I think that'd be kind of cool to wrap that in some kind of leather. And so I'm going to stop the video here. That kind of wraps up my Rebel wiring relocate videos. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know out there if you guys are doing similar things with your Rebels, where you ended up putting all your wiring once you opened up your triangle there. I've seen some really cool stuff people are doing. Some people mount their battery right on the swing arm. I just, kind of hesitant about doing that because the bouncing of the battery or whatever. Maybe they have a sealed lead battery, anti-gravity lead battery. Maybe that's how they're getting away with it. But mine's not a sealed battery. And also I'm going to be rewiring this with a Moto Gadget wiring system where I'll have the blue unit right here, the M unit blue in here, and simplify all this wiring. I wouldn't have to have those relays for the blinkers and what have you. I do have my rectifier, my new rectifier that goes with that kind of wiring system. I'm going to mount it to the bottom of this box. So with that, I'll wrap it up, and we'll get on to the next video. Will be me mounting that the exhaust system, and maybe I'll show you me wrapping the exhaust. I know there's a lot of videos out there, but might as well put another one out there. So thanks for watching. Again, if you would help me move along my algorithm on my channel by subscribing and liking and even giving me a comment. Let me know what you think. I know I haven't showed you a lot of the bike yet, but let me know what you think about my videos and see if there's something else I could do to entertain you guys more or do something. But anyways, thanks a lot, and I will be back. Let me get this little clicker here, and I'll click you off.